Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram swipe reply feature not working. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. And the first step you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and open settings of your smartphone. Scroll down, click on app management. Here you need to click on app list and search for the Instagram. Click on that, and here you can see storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to allow all permissions, and you need to restart your smartphone and log in into your Instagram account. So I already done all these steps. Then you simply need to go and open Instagram. Click on messenger icon in the top right. Here you need to open any conversation and click on any message. So hold that, and here you can see reply option and you can easily reply. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.